Do you want to have a bit of fun? Have a seat on that in that front pew, the one in front of you. Just there, open the hatch and then just go in there.
Is there a reason?
There's a little latch there. Just lift that latch.
Oh.
Go inside there.
Why is this one like this? What makes this one special?
I have no idea. Couldn't tell you. I think
Well,
I've got
see
it.
how this one-
Mm-hmm.
That noise that we heard a little while ago sounded like it come from this pew. Come and touch me, or come and sit with me. Did you used to sit here?
Are you here, Margaret?
I heard a little ooh thing.
Yep. So
Did you
did
hear
I.
that?
Yep. And there's also other voices that happened as well. And the footsteps. Very faint footsteps.
But that sounded like a woman. Like a,
Yeah, indeed. Is that you, Margaret? That was me. Nicole, are you here? Are you here, Nicole? Reverend Kendall, can you make us jump?
plane, that's a helicopter.
Yeah, indeed. Train.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm. Try and knock as loud as you possibly can so we can hear you, please. Can you do that louder? Could you let us hear your footsteps?
That was me.
Mm-hmm.
I got to stand up from
Is there any girls here in here tonight? If so, do you need help? Let me know if you need help. Can you make a noise or a bang sound if you need help? Possible voice there. If that's you, could you say that louder? Just so they know that's you and you need help. Thelma, are you here? Itchy face.
might be touching you.
Itchy face.
Yeah.
I was in here one night, said, could you let us know? And you hear this voice, Thelma. So like, whoa, that's a good one. That's really loud when I heard that. So that's how we know Thelma is here. I don't know why it is, but I keep sort of shaking. We sort of like a sudden intake of breath, really sort of strong.
I got a right knot in my stomach. I know that.
No, it's sort of like shock. What you feeling there? Did you get anything from in there?
No, not really. But as I say, I've got a right knot in my stomach. Nervousness in my stomach. if you know what I mean.
Nervousness. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Whereas it might be because I'm cold sort of thing, you know.
I get a lot of people in there and they realise just very quickly how cold it is in there compared to the rest of the place. And that's the place where the men has all of a sudden just came in a sudden burst of tears.
Oh, right. Oh, no, I didn't feel like, I don't feel upset or nothing. I just
Yeah.
feel like nervous stomach.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's exactly what I've got at the moment. It's sort of like suddenly sort of drawing up and
Yeah.
breathing like that. That's what I sort of feel like. No reason for that, but that's just what we're picking up on.
No, I've just got my back's hurting and I've got like a nervous, not in my stomach sort of thing.
That's exactly what I've got.
Come on, walk with me. With the
tummy.
Come and say hello to us. Eh? Let us know you're here.
Reverend Richard Kendall, can you give us a blessing? Please.
That's very walking.
Mm-hmm. It's not bad, is it?
Nice and clear, isn't it?
It's lovely, isn't it?
Have you seen anything on that yet?
No, no orbs, no nothing. Very rarely you do get to see them. It's the old place that's mostly known for the voices.
Oh, is it?
EVPs.
Can we hear your voice? That'd be nice. That'd be cool.
I think we already have, but
We both heard that. That freaks me a bit. Must admit. My phone stops.
your phone stopped.
No, it's not stopped. It stopped going down. I think it might be the recording thing
Mm-hmm.
taking up the. I don't know, a little burst on it. God, I'm glad I bought this torch.
Yeah.
Let's have a little burst on here. I feel nervous standing down there on my own.
Yeah, come over there if you like.
Let me just set this up. I'm back with the phone again. They wouldn't know what a phone is anyway, would they?
Yeah, indeed. I suppose communicator.
Yeah. I'm going to start it off again.
It's a communicator, so if you want to say something to let us know once it's on.
And it's off if you like to talk into it. It's this weird looking device that's in front of me. That was me. That's me as well.
Uh-huh. I still try to get it together, are you?
Yeah, it's alright. Oh, there's a big gap then on there.
Hmm?
There was a big gap on it then, on the recording.
Gap.
Yeah, like
Hmm.
nothing.
Uh-huh.
Come and say hello to us. I'll turn the torch off. And I'll stand here, trying to not make any noise. Just come and say hello. I'm quite friendly.
That's me.
Just come and say hello, because I'll have to turn it off soon, because I'm down to 17%. Gonna have to turn it off, because I'm going to run out of battery otherwise.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Nervous feeling has gone.
Yeah.
So it's obviously somebody in here who was very nervous there at one point.
I won't be able to use it anymore now, will I?